This is a very common problem on the SAT that you may also see on the ACT. So let's go and take a look. So equation expresses approximate height h of a ball t seconds after launch vertically. Velocity is given. After how many seconds will it hit the ground? So let's draw a quick sketch. Now this is also a common physics problem, of course. The ball is launched initial velocity 25 meters per second, and then it says that any height it achieves, let's say height h, in t is the time that taken to achieve the height h is time t. But we're interested in when the ball comes all the way back down and hits the ground. So notice that when the ball hits the ground, the height h is going to be 0. Okay, because all the way back on the ground again. So let's write our equation then. H equals minus 4.9 t squared plus 25t. We're going to set h as equal to 0. Okay, that's the important thing to remember here, to set it equal to 0. And then I'm going to write the rest of my equation out here. So I'm going to take t common on because I see a t squared and a t here. So 0 equals, let's take a t common, and I can get, open a parenthesis, minus 4.9t plus 25. Now I'm going to use the zero product rule. I'm going to set t equals 0 and this other part equals 0. So t equals 0 and negative 4.9t plus 25 equals 0. Okay, so we have our first answer, time t equals 0. Time t, the next one actually we're going to set this equal to 0. Negative 4.9t plus 25 equals 0. So we're going to bring this to the other side. So then we have 25 equals 4.9t. So then what we're going to do is get rid of the 4.9, eliminate the 4.9. So we can get t by itself. So divide both sides by 4.9. So this cancels off 4.9, and then we get t equals 25 divided by 4.9, which is approximately equal to 5.1 seconds. Now, so we have two answers, 0 and 5.1. Remember, they're asking us how many seconds will the ball hit the ground. Now, when it's released, it's time 0, t0, but when it hits the ground, it's time t 5.1 seconds. So that's the choice represented in D here, and that will be the correct answer. Okay, so please let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I will talk to you in the next video. Bye.